In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter to a Tableau dashboard. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once you have it open, navigate to the Tableau website. If you're already a member, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to sign up for an account. The process is pretty straightforward, requiring just a few basic details to get you set up and ready to go. Now that you're logged in, you'll be faced with the option to either create a new workbook or select an existing one. If you're just starting out, you may want to create a new workbook to practice on. However, if you have a specific project in mind, simply click on the existing workbook you intend to edit. Once you're in the workbook, make your way to the dashboard section. Now, let's focus on the specific worksheet within your dashboard where you want the filter to be applied. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down arrow on the top right corner of that worksheet. Clicking this arrow reveals a menu, and from here, you want to select the Filters option. This step leads you to the choices of which filters to incorporate into your dashboard. Take your time here to choose the filter that best suits your data needs and objectives. Next, it's important to decide on how you want your filter to appear on the dashboard. You have two main options. You can either make it floating or tiled. A floating filter allows you more flexibility. You can resize and move it around your dashboard, providing a more customized layout. On the other hand, a tiled filter is fixed within the layout grid of your dashboard. This can be useful if you want to maintain a consistent, organized appearance. If you're working with multiple worksheets that utilize the same data source, you can apply a filter across all of them. This means that changes you make with the filter will affect all these worksheets simultaneously. It's a powerful feature that can save you a significant amount of time and ensure consistency across your data visualizations. And there you have it. You've successfully added a filter to your Tableau dashboard. Filters are a fantastic way to offer a dynamic and interactive experience, allowing users to drill down into the data with ease. Take a moment to adjust and play around with different filter options to see what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks. If you found this tutorial helpful, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy data exploring!